Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are continuing with our small account for binary option. We started with $100 and we are now at around 800. We are using a robot called Alpha One iBot. This is a free robot that you also can use completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha One iBot. And there we have it. Our balance is now at $888. So once again, a beautiful trade with Alpha One iBot. You can use this robot also, link below the video. And as you can see now, we are getting very close to our $1,000 target. So let's see what to do from there. But for now, have an amazing day.